Wanna know how to brainstorm ideas the easiest way in Taskade? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, head towards your dashboard right here. And then go to Home and under Projects, click on this small plus icon right here. Or you can just create new or click this plus icon too. So once you've done that, click on Start Blank. Now let's add a project title. Let's say it's to-do list. Now let's add a block. Let's keep it bullets. Now instead of writing it manually, on the right side right here, you can see AI, or you can just go to AI agents too right here. So on the right side right here, you can type in, and here you can see the Taskade AI has generated your morning routine, work tasks, and the entire to-do list in just a single prompt. Now you can just copy and paste it, and that's it. This is how you can easily brainstorm in Taskade, and you can also do it for various other topics such as some YouTube videos and much more. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.